Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2867th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And thank you so much for tuning in. So I wanted to wait for my videographer and get in front of the camera up in the studio and show you a bunch of charts. But when the Omni arrow flips, I like to get these videos right out so you can prepare. So for trading on 2/14, February 14th, 2025, stop right there. I didn't forget. Happy Valentine's Day, Omniacs out there. Listen, take your honeys out wherever they may be, whoever they might be, male, female, giraffe, don't care. Take them out, enjoy yourselves, have a nice dinner, buy them flowers, buy yourself flowers, whatever it takes, but enjoy Valentine's Day. But don't forget, we've got markets and we've got a green Omni for trading NASDAQ, E-mini, S&P, and Russ on St. Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2025. Please remember the risks involved in trading. This is a risky game. If you don't know the risks, you've never traded before. If you have, you know what I'm talking about. Put your stops in, put them in first. Never trade without stops. You know, there's this, traders. You can ride on this certain cities, certain states that you can ride a motorcycle on the highway full speed without a helmet. But should you? You know what I'm saying? Put your stops in, put them in first. Let's get moving. For trading on Friday, this is 2/14/2025. Traders, we had a breakout. Look at this crazy breakout. Now, take a look at the amount of failures. Just follow this. It starts up here, and then you just start failing at this line. Watch. Failure. 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 It's non-stop, right? Failure. 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 Wha-bam! Look where we are now. Failure, not so longer, not any longer now. That's what I would consider a breakout. There is this. Many days after you break out of something like this big wedge building, you get a turnaround and it comes right back down. That could happen. Now, I've got a green Omni, so I don't care about that one. I am going to expect this one up higher. Why? Well, I've got a green Omni. We did break out. And yeah, a lot of times this does happen the next day. But if I had a red Omni, I'd go short. I've got a green Omni, compelled to go long. So we will be buying dips in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and or Russell for trading on Friday. Question for you. Does not matter what the Omni says. What do you think is going to happen? I want you to leave a comment below. Do that now. Are we getting this tomorrow? Or are we getting this? Which of these two do you expect? Are we going to come right back down, get back into this wedge, and then start our way back down? Or are we going to move higher and maybe take out the double top, which resides all the way over here? This double top, right? So you got that. We'll worry about that when we get there. We're not there yet. Do you think we're moving higher on Friday? This is for Friday only. Or do you think we're going to move lower? Now, I know I've got analysis out there that calls for the markets to move lower. That's longer term analysis. This is for trading on Friday. The answer I want from you is top day only as day traders compelled to the Omni arrow. I am. For you, do you think we're getting the red bar tomorrow or the green bar? Please leave your comments below. Now, one of the things I will tell you is this. We had failure. Let's put this back where it belongs. Boom. We had failure, 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 failure. Boom! We finally get the breakout, and that cost us to lose points today. The Omni got stopped out in our short S&P trade. Now, granted, yesterday, we probably took out more points yesterday than we'd like to brag about. The Loss that we gave today doesn't cover 1/5 of what we made yesterday. The Omni has been cranking out great trades, had a great month of January, is having a fantastic February, had a monster Wednesday, but we did lose on Thursday. And you know the way I look at this, win or lose, head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. So my apologies for that losing trade. Felt bad. Got in it with you guys, as always. Lost, not as always. Turned out we were losers on Thursday, but we sure have kicked butt this week so far, right? We donated on Thursday. We'll make that back on Friday. So traders, tell me what you think, up or down. Please subscribe to these videos. Leave your comment below about what you think we're going higher or back down into the wedge. And subscribe to livewithoscar.com as well. Join me in my live trading room. I'm there every day. I'll even be there tomorrow for most of the day, even though I've got 3 lovely women around me and it is Valentine's Day. So I've got to take them out for lunch, but I'll be here most of the day anyway in my live trading room. Make sure that you join me at livewithoscar.com. Traders, remember what I said about the helmet on the motorcycle, all right? If you wouldn't do that, don't trade without a stop in. Make sure you put those stops in first. Keep your emotions out. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.